konnichiwa minasan, o genki desu ka? Hello, how are you? Karate video number 82, and I'm gonna talk about Ibuki. Ibuki is one of the breathing method. Today's video is gonna be very interesting for everybody, even if you are not practicing karate or any other martial arts. By learning this different type of breathing, your health is gonna be much better, and also you can get sleep better. And also it's very good for the meditation. At first, I'm gonna explain you about these kanjis. We pronounce ibuki. And the first kanji, only this one, this is iki. Iki, it means breath. The second kanji, this one, comes from the verb fukimasu. Fukimasu, it means to blow. For example, the wind is blowing. 風が吹いています. Also, the act of blowing, like, because this respiration is very important to breathe out completely. So this is ibuki, to breathe out completely everything. In Japanese culture and also in the Oriental medicine, the breathing is very important. Have you ever read manga comics or watched very famous anime called KIMETSU no YAIBA? KIMETSU no YAIBA. Or maybe you know this title in English, Demon Slayer. Some strong men fight against Oni. Oni, they are Japanese demon. To become really strong, they must learn special way of breathing from very good maestro. And they are very good at martial arts. For concentration breathing that they use, there are 5. And their names are very curious. Fire, wind, water, rock, and thunder. As you see in this anime, it's really important to master the breathing to be really strong, because you need concentration. Before talking about ibuki, let's see the other breathing style. This is abdominal breathing, 腹式呼吸. I'm going to explain you these kanjis. 腹, this is also we can call hara. Hara, abdomen. Hara. And shiki, this is style. So the abdominal style and 呼吸 together. 呼吸, it means this is breathing. 呼吸, breathe. In this abdominal breathing, when you inhale, then the air accumulate in your stomach and your belly will swell. And then you exhale all the air. This is why we say 腹式呼吸, 腹 with hara, belly, because you use your belly for breathing. But there's other breathing style called 逆 腹式呼吸. I wrote in red here because only we add all the same, and I add this kanji and we pronounce 逆. And 逆 means opposite. So we can translate this word to reverse abdominal breathing. And actually, when we use ibuki in karate, this is actually this one, 逆腹式呼吸. It means the way how to use our abdomen is completely different, the completely opposite. So it's like reverse abdominal breathing. The name ibuki, this sounds quite poetic, ibuki. And this ibuki is also, you can call TANDEN 呼吸法, the same one, okay? TANDEN 呼吸法, the breathing style of TANDEN. We have 3 tandens in our body. 上丹田, 中丹田, and 聖火丹田. 聖火丹田 is between 5 and 9 centimeters below the navel. We must focus our concentration in 聖火丹田 below the navel when we do ibuki breathing. If you want to know more detail about tanden, then you can watch my karate video number 73, and there I explain about all of these 3 tandens. Now I'm going to explain how to do this reverse abdominal breathing, because this is the same way in Ibuki. When you exhale, inflate your abdomen and empty all your air. Now you need to inhale, but when you inhale, you must retract your abdomen inside, but you must concentrate on your tanden, this below navel. This breathing method has the advantage of being able to speak continuously without damaging your vocal cords. So it's very good for singers, the actors, and also for the announcers. I myself practiced a lot to make this video, this way of breathing. Then I felt quite different in my throat. You should try it by yourself. Then you can notice the difference in your throat when you do the abdominal breathing and also reverse abdominal breathing. At first, it's difficult to try this form because this is not so natural. I tried a lot and I get dizzy because lots of oxygen enters, so I felt dizzy really, so maybe I need more practice. So ibuki in karate is this kind of breathing, but very really important point is that you must exhale everything, every air. Now I want to tell you about the 7 effect that you can obtain by doing this reverse abdominal breathing. 1番目 number 1, as this is a really deep breath and you exhale to the limit, then the amount of oxygen that you get really increase. So it means you can breathe much better and your body responds better. 2番目 the muscles get stronger because your inner muscle can be trained a lot when you breathe in this way. Number 3, 3番目 you can get mental stability and improve your concentration. It can adjust very well the autonomic nerve system. We say 自律神経。自律 this is autonomic. 神経 this nerve system. By taking this deep breath, your parasympathetic nerve is activated and your muscles are loosened. When the muscles relax, the blood flow improves and the metabolism increases. In this way, this autonomic nerve system, 自律神経, can be adjusted very well and you can get less stress. It is also used as a treatment for depression, and it can also prevent and reduce your stiff shoulders and low back pain. 5番目 number 5, reduce your stress in your daily life. 6番目 it makes your body less tired and can help recover from fatigue sooner. 7番目 number 7, the power to make decisions and the productivity increase. The oxygen gets to the brain, so your brain works much better. Now in karate or in other martial arts, what kind of effect or what kind of advantage this ibuki has? I'm going to talk about 3 advantages, 3 effects. Actually, ibuki, this kind of breathing, is used in karate from many years ago. 1番目 improve your attack power just in the moment of tsuki or keri, because ibuki can improve the flow of our ki. Ki is inner energy, then the mental concentration, and also reduce the muscle tension. 2番目 by being aware of the abdominal muscles, inner muscles, tanden, then our posture is corrected and the burden on the muscles and the joints is reduced. It means less probability for injury or to cause pain in your body. 3番目、It can help you reduce your stress and fatigue, tiresome, because this deep breathing creates mental calm. So it's very good to practice this one before exam or the championship. I hope you liked this video. If so, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日は空手でよく使われる息吹という呼吸法を説明しました。そしてこの息吹は丹田呼吸法とも言われています。丹田についてもっと詳しく知りたいなと思ってくださったら、私の空手ビデオ73番目に丹田についてとても詳しく説明していますから、ぜひそちらを見てください。今日は腹式呼吸と逆腹式呼吸の違いについても説明しました。逆腹式呼吸って新しいですか？私も今まで知りませんでした。どちらもとても体に健康な呼吸法ですから、ぜひ試してみてください。日本で有名な鬼滅の刃というアニメにもいろいろな呼吸法がありますよね。本当に呼吸によって体が随分変わったり、いろいろな力が出たりするんですね。今日のビデオが面白かったよと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、バイバイ。